Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the M13 Morningstar. First, you'll need to dive into the game's challenge system. Look for the specific mission tied to this powerful weapon. It often involves completing a series of objectives within certain game modes. Pay close attention to the requirements, as they can be quite precise. Successfully finishing these tasks is your primary path to adding the M13 Morningstar to your arsenal. It's a rewarding process that tests your skills. To continue your quest, focus on the specific challenge requirements. Many players find success by concentrating on headshots. Aim for 15 headshots with an assault rifle in a single match. This often requires precision and good map awareness. Additionally, you might need to complete a certain number of matches in a specific game type, like 5 rounds of domination. Consistency is key here, so keep practicing your aim and strategy. Once you believe you've met all the criteria, navigate to your in-game progression menu to verify completion. The game will usually notify you, but it's always good to double-check. After confirmation, head to the Armory or the Rewards section to claim your brand new M13 Morningstar. Remember, patience and persistence are your best allies. Don't get discouraged if it takes a few tries. Practice makes perfect in these challenges. Now that you have the M13 Morningstar, it's time to optimize your loadout. Experiment with various attachments to find what best suits your playstyle, whether it's increased accuracy, faster reload, or more damage. A well-balanced loadout can significantly improve your in-game performance. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it for comfort and durability. Enjoy dominating the battlefield with your new weapon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.